welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. So if you want to see how I'm going to slay my makeup for my birthday dinner, just stay tuned and keep watching this video. Also, while you're here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. So yesterday was my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I turned 21, so don't ask no questions, okay? So I went out. It's a surprise where I went, so if you want to know where I went, you're gonna have to follow my vlogging channel, Shellz JaLisa. I'll put the link below so you can just watch that video. If you're watching this video, that means that video should already be posted. And also tonight I'm getting ready for part 2 of that video of what I'm doing tonight. So don't forget to also like, comment, subscribe, and share on that video if you want to see where I'm going tonight. So you guys are probably like, why is her eyebrows red? You will see soon. And if you guys like want to see any of my outfits, that is also posted on my social media on my controversy closet page. I posted the outfits of what I wore and do like outfits of the day, so you'll see that as well. So follow me on Instagram. I also have like my personal page as well, Shellz JaLisa. So follow me. So I don't think I'm going to be talking too much through this video, just because I'm probably going to like speed up some parts like my eyebrows because they take the longest. But yeah guys, comment below. Who is a Virgo? Let me know. There's so many Virgos. I feel like every year I keep meeting more and more and more Virgos, but I'm not complaining because we are that bad. Okay, don't argue with me. Virgos are the best sign. So drop some comment, guys. Let me know if you're a Virgo, or if you have nothing to say, wish your girl happy birthday. And just in case you guys are wondering like what I'm using to get my eyebrows red, it's an Annabelle lip liner. And I'm just using it on my eyebrows. And I think it's cool, so I don't even have to push hard. And that's why I like to use it on my eyebrows. And the color is perfect. And I'm pretty much like toning down, because I don't want it to be like super bright where you can see my eyebrows underneath and then just see the red on top. So I'm using also my Dip Brow in dark brown by Annabelle. So I'm just going over the red and I'm adding a little bit of darkness. So it gives it more like a dyed effect rather than I just filled in my eyebrows that are dark brown and just put red on top. And just fan it in the upward motion. Okay, so the thing that I find I do is I do my eyebrows at the same time. It's easier for me to do them at the same time. I feel like they come out more even versus fully doing one and then trying to match it up doing the other one. I feel like for me it's just easier doing them at the same time. naturally my eyebrows don't have like a natural arch. And then I can fade out the middle of the one because that's looking pretty harsh. And I like the color as well. It's not too bright because I toned it down. So I'm happy with this. Another tip, or another trick that I do, when I outline it, as you can see, I was outlining further away and blending it in and then making my strokes closer and closer to actually doing the outline. I feel like it leaves you room for like less error versus trying to do your outline right away, unless you say your hand slips, like you just mess it up right away. At least when you're moving in slowly, you're already creating your strokes. By the time you get down here to do the actual outline, you should already have it in your phone. If that makes sense. I could always just do like a separate eyebrow video if that's what you guys want. So comment below and let me know. So I'm going to use Fenty primer. It comes in one shade only. And I just used my hand to put my primer on. So I use my beauty blender and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Foundation. I also have a separate video on my Fenty Beauty Foundation if you want to know what it's like or how I feel about it. And I could also put that in the link below. So check that one out as well. Foundation looks just a little bit lighter than the rest of my body because I'm out of tan, so by the time I do like my contour and stuff, it's not as noticeable. Also, Fenty Beauty contour as well. Oh, actually it's brown there, so I'm going to go with my brown. by the time I did like the bronzer, contoured my face with the bronzer, it's picking up like the warmer colors. So then my foundation doesn't look like it's not matching my skin tone. I like a shade. So if you guys want to see a video of me doing like a full face routine, let me know as well in the comments below. When I do a full face, I normally set all of my face with my setting powder. So before I even start to contour my face would already have been set. But I'm just kind of skipping that. I'm also skipping using my concealer as well to conceal any darker spots. I'm just skipping right over that. But if you want to see like a full face of how I actually do that, let me know. I just don't feel like I need to do that every single day because it also does take a long time. And just everyone, this is Honey also. FENTY. So because I'm wearing a beige colored top, so I have two different color blushes to choose from, but I think I'm gonna go with a warmer tone just because I feel like it will flow better. And this is not a blush brush. I do have one, which is this is my blush brush, but I just love the way it applies it using this. And just pop some color in your face. I never used to use blush really, but I really love the MAC ones, and I totally see like a difference. It just adds a little bit of like pink into your skin, or whatever color blush you have. It could be like more of a golden color. This is more of a peachy color. I have a rosy color. And let's again, I have like a few different highlighters. I think today I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty palette just because I haven't in a long time. Sorry if my voice keeps like going down. I'm like super hungry. I'm always running late. So this one is like 4 different steps. You just follow it and it's in the square. So you follow this equals that, this and this is the bottom part. That's not picking it up, so I'm just going bigger. catfish. I look the same, okay? I look the same, just elevated. Makeup just enhances your beauty. Remember that. You are beautiful. Makeup just enhances it. Because if you're ugly, no matter how much makeup you put on, you're still gonna be ugly. Okay? And for the finishing look, the only thing I think that's different from my makeup yesterday versus my makeup today is where my mole is gonna be. I think I want to put a mole here. You can see my Instagram pictures. I have a mole right here. I'll show you this mole. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you love the finishing look. I got my burgundy hair together. Got my new piercings, honey, for my birthday. No, stay down. And then this is the finishing look. So if you want to know where I'm going tonight, don't forget to subscribe to my vlogging channel, Shellz JaLisa. All my social media handles are in the description box, or you can check it above, or worst case scenarios in my about section. So follow me on social media as well, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel as well as my vlogging channel, and I will see you guys on my next video.